Actually, I didn't get a word or sentence to describe their friendship because it's beyond all that. Umakuti loves Bhamus and Bhamu really loves Umakuti. They are not like an animal or a baby, human baby. They are playing like friends. They are walking like a friends, and our family all together come here to bath Umakuti. She also joined with us. We are really happy to see their friendship, and I think it's a rare relationship of an elephant and a human baby. At first, they are not happy to see that friendship because as I said that they don't know how Makuti reacts to the baby. So first of all, they are scold us. What are you doing? Are you playing with her life? But after some days, they realize that it's not just a friendship. It's more about that.